Hello guys, today I'll be reviewing a toy that its name is Space Spinners. So these are things that you use to put these balls over here, but you don't know how. It's because there's two holes. So how you do it is you pick the color, like what spaceship, like you see here and here. These are the colors of these balls, and how you get them is like this. You like shake them. You shake them. Oh god, it's so hard. But it's going to be hard to get them here. And you put them over here in this spaceship. So it's like you're putting fuel in this spaceship. So whoever puts all their balls in the spaceship, what color, they win. They won. So the spaceship looks like this from the outside there, and let me take this out, and the inside. So what are these are? Wait, let me take them out. So what are these are? Those things are holding those colorful balls, so they cannot go anywhere, but they do because it's too small, and when you do like this, they like go out because it's a small thingy, and we gotta get them put back, then do those. So here's how it looks like from the bottom here and over here. So here are the UFOs. And so you spin it around. So spin it around. You cannot do like this. Like you cannot like get your hand and put it like this and then do it like that. You cannot do that. It's not by the rules. So I guess this is pretty much the end.